For the past 27 years, Peter Wallerstein's mission in life has been saving marine mammals in distress. Lately, he and other animal rescuers in California have been plenty busy.
I haven't seen this in close to 30 years.
Every day for the past few months, volunteer rescuers have rounded up emaciated young sea lion pups like these. The animals struggle on land in bad shape. Many of them have died.
Well, most of them are skin and bones. Their ribs are showing, their hips are showing. They're very weak. They can hardly get out of the water.
These pups have a chance to survive. They'll be taken to a network of volunteer-run rehab stations where they'll get food, water, and veterinary care. No one knows exactly why the sea lion pups are coming ashore now in such large numbers, but experts do say they know that their food sources out at sea, including mackerel and sardines, have virtually disappeared. Fishermen report that this year those fish can't be found in areas where they've been abundant for generations. The federal government has begun a scientific investigation.
So if there's been a change in the wind patterns or the current patterns, those could have combined to kind of reduce the amount of sardines or change where the sardines are located.
Other possible reasons for the sea lion crisis include pollution, an as yet undiagnosed infectious disease, or even radiation from the Fukushima nuclear reactor disaster 2 years ago.
One of the things we are trying to rule out that would make 2013 different than previous years is the impact of radiation from the nuclear disaster.
Rescuers caution that while the animals look cuddly, people who come across them should keep their distance. Sea lions and humans don't mix.
They have a very strong bite, much greater than a dog, so they need to leave them alone. Their mouth is the dirtiest mouth of any mammal.
Researchers hope further testing of the animals, the sea, and the fish in it can shed light on the mystery of the starving sea lions. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Playa del Rey, California.